There's Mr. Bo. It is, I think it's the 8th of July. It's been a hot day. And he's in his stroller, kicking his legs up. We're outside. You want to look outside? You don't want to get the sun in your eyes. Hi, Bo. Hi, Bo. What do you know? Huh? Oh, goodness. Goodness. You're getting so big? Are you getting so big? Hi, Bo. Hi. Hi. Do you have a good nap? Did you have a good nap? Yeah. Oh. Yep, there goes that eyeball. Oh. How come when I take a picture you always... Oh, boy. Yeah. You feel better? Okay. Hey, Bo. Hey, Bo. Hi. 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 How you doing? Okay. We'll move around a little bit again. Let's see. Bo is 2 months old. Big boy. Yeah. Bye-bye.